Welcome along to day 21. We're on the bottom rung of our calendar now, I can't believe it. So let's see what our last 4 are going to be, starting with the 21st of December. Ooh, so does anyone recognise this one? This is the Norwegian wooden shoes that you put carrots in for Sinterklaas's horses. Sounds really cool. And not that dissimilar to us giving carrots to the reindeer. So I love how these traditions are similar but unique to the culture. I love it. So let's grab our paints and get started. I've been aware of this tradition, but I can't believe we haven't painted it before. So that's a nice little clog shape, and we'll do a second one. Whoops. Why is the first one easy to do and the second one hard? And then we'll put some carrots. And that's pretty much all we need in terms of a drawing. So I'll just rub out the pencil. And we're going to do some nice decorative clogs, so we're going to paint them yellow. Yes, so in Norway, Sinterklaas, who is Father Christmas in Norway, comes on a horse. He has a horse that pulls his sleigh, and these carrots are for the horses, which is rather lovely. So I'm going to use cadmium yellow to paint some nice yellow clogs. Again, if this is a tradition you are familiar with, I'd love to hear stories of when you left out carrots for the horses. And did you come down in the morning and there was a nibble? Or were they all gone, greedy horses? And whilst that is just a little bit wet, I'm going to use a bit of yellow ochre to just give them just a little bit of a bit more roundness in the shape. And then for carrots, just mix cadmium red into cadmium yellow and start painting those in as well. But I am going to get my smaller brush because I feel like we're going to have a bit of a bleed situation on our hands. See if I can minimize that. There we go. We're painting with such small amounts of colour and paint that it'll be okay. So these are looking nice and dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more red and do some sort of detail on the side of the carrots. And then I've got 2 greens. I've just got this green here, and then with this one I added a bit of blue and brown to make it a little bit darker. Just a little sort of tufty little branch. bit of extra green going on in there. Right in the centre of those carrots. And then on the clogs themselves, I've seen some which have got little patterns on, so let's do some. So a little swirl. And then on the other one as well, we can just see a tiny bit of that. And then I need some dark colour, so get blue, we'll get brown. Do you know what, that might do the trick? That might be good enough. Whoops. And there we go, just a nice little bit of pattern down the front, and then I will dilute that right down, and look, we've got some shadow, which is cool. Take my size 0 brush. And then just a little bit underneath as well. And there we have the Norwegian wooden shoes. I mean, I'm going to say clogs, but maybe tell me if I'm wrong, if their clogs are different. Wooden shoes to put the carrots in for Sinterklaas's horse. So, what are we going to find tomorrow? I don't know, we've only got 3 left. What are your guesses? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!